Hey there, this is JC. Welcome to my channel. So today I want to talk about how can we install extra libraries in our local environment when we are using Docker Compose. I'm not sure have you faced some problem so basically you have your Apache Airflow, which is you are not require external like different providers, right? So it should be working for you. If you want something more, like for example in here, so let's say slides. I want to have two libraries, which one is GitHub, another one is Amazon, right? So here example, here example is we are able to add the additional requirements through Docker Compose or YAML file. But this one I face issue and I immediately move to another solution. And I think this solution is easier for me. Okay, so let's do one. I'm creating another Docker file. I'm going to create another Docker file. In the Docker file, git pull the Apache Airflow, and then I install the libraries I needed in here. Okay, all right. In the list of slides. So after that, I'm going to update the Airflow image name here as the environment, so that the Docker Compose is able to read these parameters and to initialize Airflow init, to run the Airflow init with the customized Airflow. Then let's dive into it. So first of all, in here, you're able to see I created a Docker file. This Docker file is going to build the customized Airflow for me. So only difference here is I want to install the libraries. I need it, okay? One is the Apache Airflow providers Amazon. Another one is the provider GitHub. And then I'm going to switch to the user to the Airflow. All right. And the second step here is the environment. I'm going to tag the latest one, customize customer Airflow image. All right. If you see in here, I already stopped, should be stopped. And let me see, Docker PS. If you see here, there's no anything related to Docker, right? So let me see PS after all. And those stuff exists. Okay. I actually seen a minute ago, right? So then then I'm going to show you in the Docker Compose YAML file. So why I'm saying here is we did this one, right? Because this one actually they are global environment or the local environment they already defined in the Docker Compose. So why I'm saying that? Because in the Docker Compose, they already defined for us, okay? So it's either going to choose the Airflow image name. So if this environment exists, they're going to pick up this value instead of they're going to download. They're going to pick up, this Airflow. Okay, so that is why in the Docker file, and inherit this one and install the libraries as we need it, and also in this environment, we have this environment in here. So that this Docker Compose file is able to pick up what they needed. There is a Docker in the build I'm going to pick out this file Docker file and tag that as the custom Airflow 3.5. Just build it. All right, so they build the success. Let me see the images. All right, so you have to see here, right? And on the meanwhile, I'm going to update the environment. In here, I'm going to find. Then I'm going to build is a lot. Docker Compose. Docker Compose app init. If you have, if you do not know what's going on, then please watch my previous video, okay? So you see they are very critical. This one going to take some time. Okay, so they're going to take some time to initialize. All right, so database migration is done. Airflow already exists in the database other servers. Have see here, this is the Apache Airflow version, the main version is correct. So initialize, finished. Then we're going to run compose, Docker Compose up. Then the recreation. So here is we have to waiting for a couple of minutes because they are going to set up the web server specifically for web servers. They are going to install the libraries. Let's see what's it look like. Okay. Right now, this starting the web servers, and also the scheduler, the workers, the setup, and also Redux. So which means they already set up success of the Apache Airflow web server. Let's see. Then I wanna so here is I'm going to make the host. All right, so Airflow. See, this one means what? So this one means the service runs up success. Okay. All right. So also you have to see where this web service is able to load the docs, able to load the docs from our database. All right. So we set up success. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.